again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So it's the beginning of the month. I have got my first monthly box. So this is the Varnail box. That's all their social media there, if you want to go and have a nosy. So I don't normally voice over these boxes, but they're just taking so long. I've had to voice it over and cut it down a bit. How pretty are these boxes as well? And if you ever see anything in these boxes that you've already got, you can get pictures of them on the website before you buy them. If you see something you've already got, put it in your order notes. Please, can you swap it out? And they're so good at swapping items out for you. Customer service at Varnail is fantastic. So there's always that option if you've got something in the box. So I'm just going to give you a little sneaky peek like this, and then I'm just going to whip it off to the side and just show you one thing at a time. So don't forget, guys, as well, I've got a huge 25% discount code for Varnail. It'll be on the screen. It'll be in my description box. So let's see what we got. We got some very colourful love art stickers, and then these ones are like metal, chrome, solid stars and hollow stars. Guys, look at these. I love them. These are like 5D, they're like raised 3D, and look at the bikinis and the starfish and the duck. Oh, look at these sunglasses, love them. I've got an idea, I've got something in mind for those sunglasses. Yeah, look, they're kind of 3D raised, so you get that embossed kind of look. And these are actually stencils, so you can use these, you can use like the outer part of it like that, or you can use the actual flame itself. There's a couple of different ways you can use these, and they're reusable as well. You can peel them off and reuse them. So we've got moon, stars, flames. They can be used with ombre sponges or an airbrush gun. And then we've got this pack. These are stencils as well. So again, you can use like the outer part like that and just have it like that. Or you could use the little butterflies themselves as stickers or as a stencil with your ombre sponges or your airbrush. And look at the rainbow colours. They are so colourful. And there's a shit ton in here, guys. There's so many. So I'm not going to take too much time on these, but I will show you all of them. I'm just going to fly through them. Look at that rainbow colour. Guys, as well, this box has been on sale for a couple of weeks already. I'm really late getting it out, and it's not going to be on sale for much longer. So if you do like the look of this box, grab it whilst it's available. And I think the June box is only available for another day or two. Last month's box was an amazing box. One of my favourite boxes, actually. But I think the June box finishes on the 5th of July. So, yeah. If you like the look of the June box specifically, that'll be gone on the 5th. Right, we've also got a little 12 tray pot compartment, and these are holographic stars. You've got the outer stars again, and then you've got the little teeny weeny stars from the middle, all different rainbow colours, super holographic. I like that they're all in a compartment. I like that rose gold as well. I don't actually have those stars, believe it or not. And then we look at these pots. I like them pots. So this is gold and silver leaf, but they're kind of in full sheets. They're not, a lot of the time these turn up and they're all broken into tiny little shardy bits. I really like that you've got big clumps and big parts of the sheet in these pots. I really liked that. Right, then we have got some rhinestones. Varnail rhinestones are always so sparkly. They're really good quality. So these are stars, 2 different sizes, all different colours, super sparkly. I really like them. Again, I don't have any of them, so I'm really happy with them. And then these, look how sparkly they are. They're just extra sparkly. I don't know where they get the rhinestones. These are hot fix, but you really can't tell once they're on a nail. all different colour glass transparent rhinestones. They're really, really nice and sparkly, aren't they? And then we've got a brush cleaner. I love this brush cleaner. I will show it you later in the video. I use base coat to clean my brushes, and this is just like base coat. It smells like a gel, and it's really good for cleaning your brushes. I'll show you later in the video. So we've also got a gel brush. Again, fantastic quality. I use long oval brushes when I'm using my hard gels, and that's what this is. Someone asked me the other day actually what brushes I use for hard gel, and this is it. I like to use long oval brushes. They're really, really nice to use with builder gels and hard gels, so I'm really happy with that brush. And we've got a ring in a cute little box, little stars. We've got a star theme going on with this box, haven't we? And it's resizable, so just a little sparkly delicate ring, isn't it? It's really, really cute. I'm really happy with that. I don't have a ring like that, so that's cute. Brilliant. I'm going to keep it in that box. I think that's really cute. I got a Christmas ring in one of those boxes as well. Right, look at these guys. These are lockable tweezers, but it wasn't the lock that got me excited. Look inside there. It's got a little grid and it grips so tight. This little caviar bead, it grips it and just doesn't let go. So that's going to be brilliant for rhinestones. When you're trying to pick rhinestones up with your tweezers and they're slipping out, they won't slip out of these. And look, they can be locked. I've never had tweezers with a lock. So that's cool. I like that. They feel fantastic quality as well. And I've already got one of these, so I'm going to put this in my giveaway box. It's just like a little glass dish. I use mine sometimes as a palette because you can rest your brushes on it as well, like that, and you can knock them about. They don't go anywhere. Perfect to use as a little palette and a little brush holder. 2-in-1 palette and brush holder. I like it. Then we have got, what was in this? I can't remember. Oh yeah, I remember. It was a magnet, a huge, hefty, strong, heavy magnet. I remember the weight of it was really heavy. I'll show you that later in the video because we've got a gorgeous magnetic gel. So everything that's left now is gels. We've got a palette thing, a liner gel, one of their regular gel polishes, a magnetic gel polish, and we've got some of the solid gel polishes. So I'm just going to quickly swatch them, guys. So this one is called Sapphire Blue, and I'm just going to show you doing one coat, and I'll do the second coat off camera. I didn't clean my brush as well. I flicked all the dust out of it, but I clearly didn't do it properly. So this first swatch is full of bits. So I thought I'll show you the second coat on this one. Because yeah, that first one was a little bit dusty. It still is a little bit dusty. Ignore that, that's my fault. Right, then we've got Charming Red. So this red was a little bit of a jelly. A little bit sheer. I don't know if it was supposed to be a little bit sheer, but I liked it. I really, really liked it. It's a proper, what it says on the tin, it's a classic red, isn't it? So I'm just going to quickly swatch the rest of these guys and I'll be back. I am going to give them all a second coat as well, but I'll do that off camera. So that's them 4 solid pots swatched. I'm going to show you how I clean my brush now. So I get most of that excess paint off my brush using a lint-free wipe. And then I normally use base coat. So I'm going to put some of the brush cleaner on my palette and just start patting your brush through it. And it will push all that paint. Can you see? It's pushing all that paint up to the top of that brush. And even when you think, look, it's got red and everything in there and blue from the ones I did first. Even when you think you've cleaned your gel brush, do it again because I can guarantee there's still more in there. So I'm going in, I'm doing it again. Push that gel through the bristles of the brush, and can you see it's pushing more up still, and then wipe that off. And I normally like to leave a little bit of my base coat or the brush cleaner gel. I normally like to leave a little bit of it in my brush anyway. So I'm going to give it one last go, and it will still have gel in it. This is why I'm never keen on using solid creams in pots, because the brushes are so hard to clean in between colours. That's had 3 goes, look, and it's still coming out. But I'm happy with that, so I'll wipe that last bit off, and then I'll leave my brush like that with a little bit of the gel still in it. Perfect. So that's how you use that brush cleaner. It's a really good, and I'm really happy with that, because yeah, I normally use base coat. Right, so that is them 4. They've all had 2 coats. That red is a teeny tiny bit jellified, but with the second coat, it's full cover really. I like that nude. That nude was a bit of a milky colour as well. I do like that nude. I like the lime green. Some really pretty colours there. I'm really happy with them. Yeah, can you see the red? Little bit sheer. Little. Just a little. Right, so shall we get on now and swatch? I think I did the cat eye next. Yeah, so this is called Crushed Ice. This is beautiful. I actually really like this just as a normal gel polish. Guys, look how strong this magnet is. It is so powerful. I really had to yank it to get it off them tweezers. Super powerful. Look at this. I'd describe this. It's kind of holographic, but the hollow is not like your bright rainbow colours. They're more like pastel colour hollow. They're really nice colours. I'm trying to show you there. It's got the pink, purple, yellow. It's like pastel coloured hollow, isn't it? I actually prefer this as a normal gel polish without the cat eye effect. So I've just run my magnet up and down each side just to show you the cat eye, because I didn't really know what to do with it. But beautiful gel polish, and I'm quickly just going to throw it over a black as well. And these are new brushes as well, really soft and rounded off. Yeah, they've added all new brushes to the cat eyes. So this is it over a black. I think it stands out a lot more over a black, doesn't it? But I do prefer it on its own, just as a regular gel. It's really pretty. So that's it over the black. That would be stunning at Halloween to do dragon scales, snake scales. Not even Halloween, just I'm getting dragon scale vibes from that. So now we've got 007 Heartbeat. You can get these in a set of 6. They do a set of 6 neons, and they're super bright neons as well. This is like it's like a cherry red, neon red, isn't it? Yeah, cherry red, coral red, neon. Really pigmented, opaque neon. Neons can be quite hit and miss, can't they? But no, that's a really good one. And we have got a beautiful pastel liner. So I'm just going to stick this with these. These are the neon glow-in-the-dark reflective liners from Varnail, and the gold that they do. So I've just stuck it on there just for my reference. I like to keep them all in one place. Right, so we've got this solid UV solid sequins. I loved the look of it. It's like gold shardy, bits of shardy gold mylar type stuff, but I didn't like it. I couldn't get it out the pot. I don't know. It was just really kind of stiff and very stiff and sticky. Yeah, I wasn't keen on. I liked the look of it. I wasn't keen on the texture of it. It was just quite difficult to apply. Yeah, I wasn't keen on the texture of it. I did like the look of it, but yeah, I just didn't like the texture of it. Anyway, guys, that is all the colours that came in this month's box. I'm really happy with all the colours this month. So a quick recap on everything. I love these mystery boxes where you just get a little bit of everything. You never know what you're getting. It's like birthday or Christmas every month, isn't it? And I always say it, if you struggle to treat yourself, you don't know what to get because you've already got a little bit of everything. These boxes are fantastic. It does it all for you, doesn't it? But anyway, guys, that is it for today. So that was July's mystery box. Another fantastic box of goodies. I do love my mystery boxes. But yeah, that is it for today. Discount code, link to the website. I'll leave the link to the monthly box as well. It'll all be in my description box. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.